So this is what the inside scratch looks like. I want in this challenge to have my cat glide around the screen. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to label whatever I'm working on, glide around screen, right? That way if I save it, I'll know what it is later on, right? And you can always access all your files by going to My Stuff right here. So the next challenge, you can just create a new one, and you won't have to keep deleting the one you're currently on, right? Okay, so this is a sprite right here, and a sprite is just a character, right? I need an event to start it off, right? I always start these things off with an event. So like when the green flag is clicked, I want things to start happening. In this challenge, I want the cat to glide around the screen, right? So where should he begin? I'm gonna have him start down here, right? So no matter where he is on the screen, I want him to go to this position. So that's gonna be the motion tab, right? And a lot of this is just figuring out where things are, right? So as soon as this is clicked, I want him to go someplace. Now check out these two numbers. See this go to? See how it's negative 73, negative 51? It's just like in your math class. Negative 73, if this is 0, 0, it means negative 73 back in the x direction, negative 51 in the y direction. That's his current position. So if I lift him up here, both the x and y will now be positive. Okay. So these numbers change depending on where he's at. So if I want him to start here, all I have to do is drag him there and then click go to. Okay, now I want him to glide here. So same principle. I'm going to bring him all the way here, and I'm going to say glide to this position. Now I could just keep going like this and say, okay, I'm going to glide up to this position. But watch what happens when I click that green flag. Now he's just walking up. I want him to turn, right? So a couple different directions, a couple different ways that you could do this. You could have him get here, and then between those two blocks, turn a certain amount of degrees. So you can have him turn 90 degrees. Watch how this will work. Whoop. Watch what happens though. When I click this again, now he's upside down. He's never starting in the right position, right? So another way you can, like I want him to start pointing the correct position every time. So they have this block point in direction. So you have four basically choices, right? You have him pointing to the right, the left, up, or down to begin the game. So I'm going to have him pointing in the right direction, 90. So now no matter what position he has, even if he's in like a really weird position like that, he'll always start in the correct position. All right, I think that's certainly enough hints for this challenge. Good luck.